Need to reset your iPhone to fix issues or prepare it for resale? It's easier than you think. Hi, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to reset your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the General Settings. Here, find the Transfer or Reset option at the bottom of the list. Now simply tap on it. Tap on the Erase All Content and Settings option. Tap on the Continue button. Finally, tap on the Erase iPhone option. Your iPhone will now erase all content and settings, returning it to its original factory state. And this is how you can reset your iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.